Hey guys, it's Belle from the Seven Demigods. I know, blah blah blah, it's Wednesday. But on Wednesdays, we were pink. Best shirt ever. I have Alice with me, my pygmy puff. She hasn't been feeling well lately. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna give you a short little Halloween review because Halloween is my favorite time of the year. Sorry, fangirl moment. Let me calm myself. Okay, so Halloween, I don't know what it's based off of, but it's just really awesome because Halloween is the best. It brings out the best in people. I mean, like, I love dressing up. This year I'm going as Alice from Alice in Wonderland. Okay, so we got this really cute dog. It's a skeleton dog. One of my favorite features of this dog is its eyes light up. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's all I can do for your Halloween review. And yeah. But Belle, it's Wednesday. I can do whatever I want. So far we only have 2 subscribers. One is I forget, Hermione or Luna's personal channel that's subscribed, and then somebody else. So yeah. I was commented on one of my later videos of Pygmy Puff review. That was super nice because that was the first time anyone has ever commented on our videos. And yeah. So that's all I can say. Anyways, bye for now. See you on Thursday. Say bye. Bye. Ow. My finger got stuck in